In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-archive emails in Outlook. If your mailbox feels cluttered or you're bumping into storage limits, auto-archive is a built-in way to keep things tidy without constant manual cleanup. I'll start on the Outlook desktop app, then briefly touch on options in Outlook on the web. Begin by opening the Outlook app on your computer. From the main window, go to the top left and choose File. This takes you to the Backstage view where you can manage account and app settings. At the bottom of that left-hand menu, select Options. A new Outlook Options window opens with categories down the left side. Choose Advanced to access more detailed features. In the Advanced section, look for the Auto Archive area and click Auto Archive Settings. This opens the control center for how often archiving runs and what it does. Turn it on by checking Run Auto Archive every N days, then set the frequency that fits your workflow. Many people start with every 14 or 30 days. Keep in mind, Auto Archive runs when Outlook is open, so if your computer is off for a while, it will catch up the next time Outlook is running. Next, decide what happens to older items. Use clean out items older than to choose an age threshold, like months or years. Then choose whether Outlook should move those items or delete them. For most users, moving items is the safer choice. Point Outlook to your archive file or folder so messages are preserved and still searchable just out of your main mailbox. Deleting should only be used when you're confident the content isn't needed. If you pick permanent deletion, those items won't go to deleted items first. If you want extra control, enable prompts so Outlook lets you review what's about to be archived before it runs. If you also use Outlook on the web, you can complement this setup by going to Settings, then Mail, and Opening Rules. Create rules that automatically move messages to your archive or another folder based on conditions you choose, such as sender, recipients, or keywords. This helps reduce inbox noise the moment new mail arrives. For business or school accounts, there's another option, retention policies. These can automatically move older messages to an online archive mailbox based on timelines defined by your organization. If you see retention or archive settings in your account, you can use those to keep your primary mailbox lean while preserving older mail in the online archive. That's it. With Auto Archive on the desktop, thoughtful rules on the web, and retention policies where available, your mailbox stays organized and responsive without constant manual effort.